In section 1C, we're going to look at writing equations of circles and also graphing circles from an equation. So, the general formula for equations of circles is this: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, or the radius squared. Remember, the center of the circle is hk. So that would be these two values in the formula. Okay, so we'll look at 21 here. 21 is x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 1. So we need to identify the center. The center, if we look at this little minus 2 right there, notice it's minus in the formula. So it's really going to be the opposite of that. So my x-coordinate is 2. That's my h, or this value. And then it's y minus k, so my k would be 3. The key thing is taking the opposite sign that's in the equation of your circle in those binomials. So the center is 2 comma 3. This is r squared. So if r squared is equal to 1, I take the square root of both sides. So r is equal to 1 because the square root of 1 is 1. Now I want a graph, so I identify the center, the radius, and now I want a graph. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here. So you're going to plot the center first. So my center is 2 comma 3. So my center is going to be right there. My radius is 1. So what I'm going to do from the center, I'm going to go out 1 unit in each of the 4 horizontal and vertical directions. So 1 unit that way, 1 unit that way horizontally, 1 unit up, 1 unit down. So this is a pretty small circle here with a radius of 1. And then as best you can, draw a circle and make it somewhat round. So if I draw my circle here, it's going to look something like that. Now if you go to the next page is down, we're going to do number 31. 31, they give me the center as 0, 0, radius is 7. Now we're going to write the equation. Okay, so it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals the radius squared. This is h and k for my center, so it's x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals, and we write this as 7 squared, but never leave that as a number squared. I'm going to make that 49. Now it would be okay to leave it this way, but when we really have zeros here, we really just write it as x squared plus y squared equals 49. And I would say that's a better way to write number 31. If we look down here at 37, so let's move down here. So this is my h and my k. So I'm going to go x minus a negative 13. And we never leave it that way. We're going to write that as x plus 13 squared plus y minus my k value, which is positive 16, so minus 16 squared, equals the radius squared. My radius is 3 right here, so 3 squared, we need to put a 9 there. And that would be the equation for number 37.